The Burj Khalifa looks almost unreal, like someone pulled a needle out of the desert and dared the sky to stop it. But the real story isn't just that it's tall. The real story is how engineers made something this thin, this high, and this exposed stand against heat, gravity, and desert superwinds. At 828 meters, it is not simply a bigger version of a normal tower. It is a completely different kind of problem. The higher a building rises, the more wind becomes the enemy. Wind does not just push a tower in one direction. It swirls around it, shedding invisible vortices that can make a skyscraper sway rhythmically. If that rhythm matches the building's natural movement, the tower can begin to oscillate more and more. So the question was not, how do we make it strong enough? It was, how do we stop the wind from ever getting organized? The answer was hidden in the Burj Khalifa's shape. Its design uses a stepped, spiraling form based on a desert flower, with three wings arranged around a central core. As the tower rises, each wing sets back at different heights. This means the wind never meets the same building twice. Every few floors, the shape changes, the airflow breaks apart, and the dangerous rhythm is disrupted. Instead of fighting the wind with brute force, the Burj Khalifa confuses it. That's why people often describe the tower as being sculpted, almost like clay. Its form was shaped again and again through wind tunnel testing, not for decoration alone, but for survival. Inside, the structure uses a buttressed core system. Think of it like a tripod made of concrete. Three wings support a strong central spine, each one stabilizing the others. This spreads the enormous weight downward and gives the tower stiffness without making it bulky. And in Dubai's desert heat, even the concrete was a challenge. Pouring it in extreme temperatures could cause it to cure incorrectly. So much of the concrete work had to happen at night, using special mixes designed to handle the climate. Then there was the foundation.
Beneath the tower, hundreds of deep piles anchor it into the ground, carrying the load of one of the heaviest buildings ever made. Every detail had to answer the same impossible question: how do you build a mountain that is also a machine? The Burj Khalifa is not just a symbol of ambition, it is proof that the tallest structures are not won by height alone. They are won by understanding forces you cannot see, shaping around them, and turning the desert wind itself into part of the design.